how to add WhatsApp widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then go to the home screen page that you want to add in the widget, and then touch and hold on an empty spot. Now tap on widgets at the bottom. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on WhatsApp. If you do not see WhatsApp, you need to install it first from Play Store. Okay, so here open it and then go down and drag the WhatsApp widget and drop it onto the home screen. So touch and hold on this widget here, then drop it on the home screen like that. And here show no unread messages. Touch and hold on the widget will allow you to create a stack or removed. So here, if you receive a new message, it will show in the list right here. And here, because of our messages has been read, so it does not show anything. But that is how you can add the WhatsApp messages list of unread messages onto your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.